Hey you guys, it's Jasmine, and thank you for clicking on my video. And if you want to know how to make these super easy and super delicious strawberry cheesecake cinnamon rolls using canned cinnamon rolls, then just keep on watching. Alright, so you want to grab you a can of grand cinnamon rolls with the cream cheese icing. And you just want to go ahead and open your can. Then you want to spread out, unravel your cinnamon rolls as one. It's very easy. Then you want to get you a tub of no-bake cheesecake. And go ahead and open that up. And then spread your cheesecake filling onto the cinnamon rolls. Alright, now you want to get you some graham cracker crumbs. I was able to find pre-crumbled graham crackers, but if you can't find it, then just get regular graham crackers and crumble them up yourself. And you want to spread that out throughout your cinnamon roll, and then go ahead and roll the cinnamon roll back up. Just like that. It's that easy. Alright, now you want to get you a 10-inch pan and some heavy whipping cream. And we're going to pour some heavy whipping cream into our pan. You want to make sure you have a big enough pan so it doesn't overflow. And all the measurements will be down in the description below as always. Alright, now we're just separating our cinnamon rolls, and we're going to put them into the pan right into the heavy whipping cream. The heavy whipping cream is going to make our cinnamon rolls very fluffy, like gourmet cinnamon rolls. Alright, once those are all into the pan, we're now going to get us our strawberries. You want about 6 to 8 strawberries. And we're just going to go ahead and cut the stem off and dice all of our strawberries. Alright, now that we have all our strawberries diced, we're going to grab us some low sugar strawberry preserve. I like to use low sugar so they're not too sweet. We're going to put that strawberry preserve into our strawberries and mix them up for about a minute until they combine and look like this. Now we're going to pour our strawberry jam mixture right on top of our cinnamon rolls. Alright, perfect. Now once all of our strawberries on each cinnamon roll, we're going to take some more heavy cream and pour that on top of the strawberries and the cinnamon roll, just a little bit. And we're going to go ahead and put this into our 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. And while that's in the oven, I take the cream cheese icing that came in a can, put it into a plastic bag, and then cut it for piping. It's very easy. Now our cinnamon rolls are out of the oven. They look so good, you guys. We're just going to pipe that icing onto the cinnamon rolls. Then I like to take some more graham cracker I like to take some more graham cracker crumbles and sprinkle them on top. And that's it, you guys. This is so easy. It's so good. They don't taste like they're from the can at all. They taste gourmet. You can use any kind of fruit you like, guys. You can get creative with this. I promise you're going to like them. I'm sure your family and friends are going to love this if you decide to make it for them. It's very low effort and very worth it at the same time. They're very delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.